If you love adding coconut milk to your coffee, there's some great brands to try. I'll leave it all in the description as well. One of the best options is called So Delicious Coconut Milk Creamer. So it's specially made for coffee and has a smooth, creamy texture that blends very well. Plus, it's a dairy-free product and has a lovely coconut flavor. Another popular option is Nutpods. Okay, this brand offers unsweetened coconut and almond creamers. So basically, it makes it perfect for people who want to avoid sugar. Nutpods are great for frothing, and so you can make a yummy coffee latte at home. All right. Then there's another one called CocoReal. This brand is worth mentioning because their coconut milk is rich and creamy, and it's also low in calories, which people adore. This makes it a tasty option for anybody who's looking to enjoy coconut milk in their coffee without extra calories. If you prefer a simple option, Thai Kitchen. I love chicken. I'm hungry. Coconut milk can work too. So just shake it well before using it, and you'll get a delicious coconut flavor inside of your coffee. So when choosing coconut milk for your coffee, look for options that are creamy and has a lot of flavor. Again, go in the description. I put everything there. These great brands will make you enjoy delightful coconut coffee every morning.